What's up you guys? Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hello, my name is Farina and nice to meet you. For today's video, we are doing a hair review or like a hair tool review and I'm very excited because if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I love the mermaid waves hairstyle. I probably have worn that hairstyle for the past 2 months or so. Like I haven't actually used a curling iron to curl my hair anymore. I just use a waver and it's honestly super easy. We're gonna be doing a little review slash demo of the new insert name here waver, and they actually sent this to me, so thank you so much to insert name here for sending this. I do have a coupon code with them for you guys, so if you would like to try this out, you know, after the video, if you're like convinced, ooh, I want to try it, you can go ahead and use my code. But yeah, so they sent their waver and it's in this like really cute box. But before we go ahead and dive in and unbox this bad boy right here, if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click subscribe down below and join the Aguinaldo Angels or the Mermaid fam. If you would like to see my first impressions on the new insert name here waver, just go and keep watching and let's go and get started. Alrighty guys, so obviously this is my natural hair right now. I showered last night and then I just combed it through, and let's just talk about the packaging. I love this pastel pink or like this pastel peach salmon color. Ooh, it says don't worry, be wavy. In the box, these are the items. It comes with a glove, which is awesome because I personally have burnt myself before and it's not a good look. It's not a good feeling. It was probably like a 2nd degree burn on my wrist, and never again. I will never ever not wear gloves when I'm using any hot tools. And then we have the waver. Guys, can we just talk about this color though? Like, it is so freaking cute. You get a digital screen and it heats up to 450 degrees, which is honestly super hot, so be careful. I like to section off my hair into 2 sections. Okay, so this is my front piece. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, you guys can already see like the wave. This hairstyle is honestly super easy and it takes me less than 15 minutes to do, which is awesome because I feel like if I curl my hair with a curling iron, it'll take me like 30, but this one is pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's so easy. Like, look at this. We're just waving away. Sometimes I even like to leave the ends of my hair just kind of as it is. Like, I don't even curl it, just to make it look a little bit more natural. So easy. I'm literally just chilling here. Alright, I'm gonna put on some music, finish the rest of the side. Alrighty, I'm back with my left side done. Guys, that was so easy to do, and honestly I didn't even need to like clamp it for a very long time. I had it at 350 degrees. I'm pretty sure the higher temperature you use, the easier it will be to get your hair waved, but here we go. It's looking super cute. Yeah, now let's go ahead and finish the left side. Just kidding, this is the right side. There we have it. Here's your first front piece. Voila! We got some cute mermaid waves. done. So this is the final look. It's super easy, super simple. Honestly, this hairstyle is my go-to. And as far as insert name here's waiver, I really like it. The color is amazing. My only issue that I did find, every time I would press this, I'm accidentally like pressing the button, and the on and off button is like right here, so it's easy like to kind of just like turn it off and on. But other than that, the product itself did its job. I mean, it gave me this beautiful hairstyle, and super easy, great for any occasion. I feel like Shakira. If you guys would like to check out the waiver, I will put the product link down below. I also have a coupon code for you guys. If you use my code, you can get some discount off. Yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.